So here's some quick thoughts on the 7G-Tronic Plus transmission. So I'm going to get this to go to 6th gear. This is something I remember reading about. So if I punch it, now that time it didn't do it. Maybe I have to be going uphill or be going a little bit faster. I've got somebody in front of me. I'm going to scoot down. What it's supposed to do is it's supposed to drop 3 gears when you punch it. What have we here? Somebody broken down maybe. So let's see. Let me get it up to about 55, 60. Get it to kick into 6th again. And then I'm going to punch it and see if we can get it to pop down to 3rd gear. There we go. And it's pretty quick too. There was a slight delay, but that is one thing I remember reading about when I first was reading about the 7G-Tronic Plus transmission, is that it would be able to immediately downshift 3 gears at a time. And you know, I think that before I changed the transmission oil, so there was about 83,000 miles on the transmission oil and filter that was in there. I don't think it did the drop down 3 gears. Now that I've got the newer fluid in there, let's try that one more time. Yeah, just a small delay. Now that I've got the newer fluid in there, I think it's working more like it did when it was brand new, and it does the jump down 3 gears for a downshift. Yeah, it's a pretty sturdy transmission with proper maintenance. This my E350 4MATIC 2011 was the first year the 7G-Tronic Plus was used in the E-Class. And I had put well over, or I had gotten that to well over 200,000 miles, and it shifted fine the whole time. The car went to my friend after that. He never had any issues with the transmission. So yeah, I just wanted to share that little quick bit about the downshift of the 7G-Tronic Plus. Have a great day, everyone.